First Security have done a really good job for Tauranga City Council for noise control. We can rely on them to provide a good level of service and to know the Resource Management Act and the noise legislation, and to enforce that legislation as well, which isn't always easy. They deal with our residents in a professional manner. Also, just having a chat with people when they attend sites. Jill and Amber be really responsive, really helps council get back to our customers in a timely manner as well.